Welcome back to another video on BitGo. I'll be showing you how to log in onto BitGo so you can get access to your account. The first step you want to do is click login and then enter your email and your password. If you forgot your password, click this link that says forgot your password. And then you'll come to this page. It'll say enter your email address to receive an email with a reset link, which will send you a link so you can reset your password to a new password. But first, you have to enter your email and submit the request. Then you can go ahead and click the blue button which says login. If you need an account, click the sign up button, or if you need help, click this button right here. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Reads Coins page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to log in onto BitGo.